like I said, this is a very quick video that I'm making in one of the tips that what you can do with cinnamon to attract wealth. Okay, so let's get started. This is not going to be a long video. It's going to be a very short video. Like I said, it's a quickie. Okay, it's a quick video. So cinnamon. Now cinnamon is one of the ingredients which is widely used when it comes to anything auspicious, anything good, attached with goodness, attached with prosperity, attached with the good luck signs, everything. Okay, so because it's got that magnetic energy or ingredient, I would say, that attracts the positive things around you, okay, or in your life, and it's directly connected with the happiness, with the abundance in your life. Now that can be in any form. Today we are talking about cinnamon and money attraction. Okay, money being attracted towards you like a magnet. Okay, now this does not mean, let me clarify, if you're a black magic victim and you will do this quick tip, the tip that I'm giving you, and you will say that, oh, Guru Didi said that, I will have some benefit out of this quick remedy or a tip that she said, nothing is happening. If you're a black magic victim, nothing is possible otherwise also, because till the time your black magic is not removed, I always say in all my videos, whenever black magic is concerned, nothing auspicious, nothing good can happen, because it's the negative energy around you. Till the time it's not dissolved, no prosperity, no goodness can come in. So I am clarifying in this video as well, because if you have not seen my previous videos, you're a new audience to this channel, it needs to be clarified. Okay, because I don't want unnecessary confusions to be created in your mind as well. So yes, cinnamon. Now what you can do is, if you want to attract money and if you want to attract wealth, of course hard work is needed. You need to work hard, you need to work. It's not that you will do remedies of cinnamon like this and you will say that money will come to me. No, hard work is important, but along with that, to make good luck and hard work together, to uplift that energy of good luck, what you can do is, one of the things you can do is that whenever you light a diya, whether it's a mustard oil diya or whether it's a clarified butter, which you call as ghee diya, in your house temples, okay, add a pinch of cinnamon. Once you light the diya, add a pinch of cinnamon in that diya inside. You mean on the oil. Once you light it, after lighting it. It's not that before you add and then you light. Once you light the diya, okay, then you put a pinch of cinnamon powder or a small stick, very small, I would say, molecule of your stick. You break the stick and you put it. But make sure the cinnamon is original. Do not get duplicate cinnamon, because it's not going to work. It has to be real authentic cinnamon stick or cinnamon powder. Be sure on that. And light that diya. Okay. Do this for consecutively for at least 21 days or 45 days if you can carry this forward without any break. Remember, the moment you're going to break this cycle of 21 days, if you stop in even one day, 15 days for example, you've done it, okay, and the 16th day you forget, or due to whatever reason you're not able to do it, you will restart it from the first day. It's a cycle of 21 days and then 45 days. So depending on whichever you want to choose. Okay, one tip is that. This will help you to even feel better and get new ideas of your business, or to get new, I would say, thought process to how I can improvise in my job sector as well. And of course, once you're going to do that, automatically, once your improvements will start, new ideas will create in your mind, money will of course come in, because you're doing something different and innovative. Okay, the next thing what you can do is, very simple things I'm telling you. The normal dhoop sticks that you light in your house temples, or dhoop batti that you call, that you light in your house temples along with the diyas, you can actually take cinnamon powder, the real cinnamon powder, like I said before, and you can roll it on that powder, the dhoop that you make. You can roll it all over on that powder, so that cinnamon powder gets completely, stick with, it actually has to stick along with the dhoop, all the powder. Okay, so you're rolling the dhoop on that cinnamon powder, and then normally the way you light the dhoop, you light it, and then you go ahead in the whole of your house and make sure that it goes in whole of your house corners. Okay, this will energize, this will actually make it more positive, the aura. And if you're especially working from home, okay, this is a very important point I'm telling you regarding this. If you have work from home category in your life, especially after corona times or otherwise also, some people work from home, this is an excellent tip that I'm telling you to uplift and energize the area where you're working, the premises where you're working, so that even when you inhale this, okay, even you inhale this fragrance that's going to be burned, or that's going to be lighted, I would say, okay, the cinnamon fragrance, your chakras internally, your internal system, your veins and everything gets that positiveness of prosperity, gets the thought process of creating new ideas. Okay, like I said, if you're working from home, this is an excellent tip of betterment in your work and getting more business in work. Try this out. But like I said, try this for at least 21 days without any break, or 45 days. You will definitely get more business. You will definitely get more money. You will definitely get more opportunities even when your projects are concerned. I'm telling you this. This is tested and tried. So these two tips, there are many other tips regarding cinema, but these are two others easiest. Start with the easy process for beginners. It's very important you people being beginners do this correctly, and then you see the difference. Okay, so that's about it. Next week I'll see you in another topic. Till then, goodbye.